Gareth from Ribs for Sale, and this is a short video welcoming this fantastic Ballistic 7.8 metre rib fitted with a Yamaha F300 engine. This boat benefits from a new set of tubes that were made at the factory in Ballistic and is absolutely ready to go. So without further ado, I'll just go to the boat a little bit more closely and walk you over it. Hold on. So here we are at the back of the boat. We've got the Yamaha engine covered with a wonderful OCA cover, which just protects the actual overall cowling from birdlime and UV. Full structural frame at the back with the fishing rod holders and the high cleats. LED lighting system, including driving lamps. And then moving into the main seating area, we have a rear bench for 3 people, 2 rows of jockey seats, sitting on wonderful teak effect flooring. Console comprises of Garmin electronics for your depth and your GPS, Garmin VHF DSC, and then we've got BB100 music, and then the boat actually was unique in the fact that it was fitted with a twin tank system. So the boat has 2 225 litre tanks. Basically, she only runs with one at the moment, but the boat can be changed in the future if you want to re-engine it with 2 engines, if you wanted to as well in the future. So there's a number of different options you can do. And I'm just a little bit squished here, so I can just point in the bow there. We've got this V-berth with a sun pad in the bow, and then you've got the lift up front seat, double front console seat at the front as well. So I see she's stunning, sporting this new set of factory tubes. But if you've got any questions about her at all, then don't hesitate to give us a call. The number in the office is 02 392 397 000.